Place the water cooling pump into the water tank. Turn on. Turn on the machine switch. Each heating tube has corresponding button control. Here the voltage is controlled. Here is the adjustment of the heating gap size. Here is the adjustment of heating height. The following is a material processing demonstration scene. This button controls the switch of the middle heating tube below. This button controls the switch of the heating tubes on both sides below. This button controls the switch of the heating tube above. Control heating tube temperature by adjusting voltage, high voltage and high temperature, low voltage and low temperature. Set heating time according to material thickness. Start the timer. Alarm prompts heating material to soften. Repeatable operation.